Hey everyone, welcome to December 2018. I can't believe we are in the final month of this year. I cannot wait to see what 2019 has to hold, but let's cap off the year with some awesome promos for this month and see what you could really invest in health-wise this month with doTERRA. So these promos are for current customers and for those that are looking to get started. So whichever one you are, we'll take a dive into everything. So first up, frankincense. So if you are unfamiliar with this beautiful, beautiful oil, it is the king of oils. It's really the oil that when you don't know what to use, especially as you become a new oil user, frankincense is one that you can sub in for a ton of different areas of your health. So for the month of December only, when you spend 200 PV, and just remember that PV is just doTERRA's point system. So when you are checking out, you'll see a dollar amount and a point amount or a PV amount. And that's what you go by in order to know what promo you're hitting and all that. So when you spend 200 PV this month, whether you're a current customer or you're just looking to get started and you're looking at enrollment kits, you will get a free frankincense for hitting that 200 PV amount. So this is amazing. You can get up to 4 free frankincense this month, and it really is such a beautiful oil. I love December because I know that it's going to be the promo, and here it is again, and I cannot wait to get my bottle of it. So I have a few ways, 14 to be exact, of how to use frankincense. So you can either pause this video on each of the 3 screens I'm going to show, or the 3 pages, or I have them in my stories on Instagram, so you can always go there and follow me there. Or you can also find them on my blog too, which is all listed below. So whatever way you want to see some different ways to use frankincense, I love providing you with the value to actually take your oils and use them, so they're not just going to sit there and collect dust. So my top ways to use frankincense are under the tongue. So if you take note of point number 3, calm the F down is what I call it, because it's really good for mood and emotional support. And as a mom to a toddler, or she's 6 now, but when she used to have those meltdowns, this is when it was really useful to take a drop under the tongue. So I still love doing it this way because it just is such a powerhouse for internal support in the body. So it's really great for your cellular and your immune system as well. So a drop under the tongue to support your emotions on top of the cellular and immune support, it just has this, combo together to just really make you feel like such a powerhouse because of this oil. So I love frankincense for those few reasons. It's really good for your body, like I said. So it promotes a healthy cellular response. That's another reason why I take it internally. And I do take 2 drops internally every night. So I really do love frankincense for the internal use specifically, but you can diffuse it too. So if you are going to put it in your diffuser, it's great to create these like really good Zen vibes. So I love it for that reason. Also applying on the bottoms of the feet before you head into a meditation or a yoga practice, it's really useful that way too. So like I said, if you want to look at the breakdown of how to use frankincense, just pause this video or head to the different links to see them there. So really great for the skin as well. I love adding a drop to my moisturizer and getting the benefits that way. It's really great for blemishes too. So I have a blemish roller that has frankincense in it. Again, immune support, like I said, it's great to take internally for that. Great for anti-aging or any sunspots, skin issues and all that. It's really good for that. And it's just such a beautiful scent. It really does make you think of these kind of Zen vibes, and it just really is great for supporting the lung and respiratory system as well. So the very useful ways to use frankincense, and again, these are just 14, which does seem like a lot as is, but you can use it in so many other ways too. So sky's the limit with this oil. And again, you're going to get that for free for spending 200 PV this month through just a standard order or an enrollment order. And then we have 10% off is Arborvitae. So this is known as the tree of life. These trees can live to up to 700 years, which in and of itself shows how awesome this oil is. So it really has these protective properties to, again, protect the tree from insects and bugs. So think about what it can do for us in terms of on our skin and in the air and all that. So it really is protective. So I love pairing actually frankincense and Arborvitae together to create an immune system blend. I just even love Arborvitae on the chest. It just is so amazing. So it really helps, especially from the emotional side for it. It helps with peace and flow and really trusting the abundance of, you know, connecting to your higher self and just really feeling at peace with yourself. So I love that about it, just spread on the chest. And because it is known as the tree of life and it can ward off all these other bugs, it is a great bug repellent for our bodies as well. So I love adding it to a homemade bug spray. And diffusing, I just love it in the diffuser too. If you have not tried it with Serenity, which is the restful blend, try it at nighttime. It really does promote better sleep, and the two pair really well together. So that is an oil that you can get for 10% off for the whole month of December. And then if you are a current customer, so this does only apply to those that are already using and loving their oils through the monthly reward program called LRP, which I do videos of my LRP order every month if you want to check that one out. But this month, for spending 125 PV, which is again their point system, by the 15th of the month, you are going to get a free 5 milliliter bottle of Holiday Joy, which is a special Christmas or a special holiday blend, I should say, and it smells divine. And then you're going to get this snowman oil topper, which I think is so adorable. So you can add it to the top of your bottle. I'm super excited to do that. But this is just free, just for, you know, contributing to your health through their monthly reward program. And like I said, again, I do shoot those videos as well. So if you want to check that out, just make sure you head to them. So Holiday Joy is such a beautiful combo. It literally smells like Christmas in a bottle. So it has Siberian fir, wild orange, clove, cinnamon, cassia, Douglas fir, nutmeg, and vanilla. It's really great for boosting the immune system. So if it, you know, it's obviously cold and flu season right now. So I love just having it pumping in the diffuser all day and all night. So I love having it even in the diffuser at nighttime because it can promote rest and relaxation as well. So it's not just going to help you with your immune system, but it's also going to help promote the sleep aspect if you are using it at nighttime. Like I said, it really does make your home smell like Christmas. So it's great around the holidays. I would be diffusing it all day, every day right now. And it's very cleansing. So what I like to do around the holidays is I make my own green cleaners. So when I run out of them around the holidays, I like to add a few drops of this essential oil to it. I will add normally a cleansing or a citrus oil to just, you know, add a different scent to my homemade cleaners each and every time I make them. So this is the season when I will add Holiday Joy to my cleaners and get the smell of that while also cleansing my countertops. So those are a few fun uses for it. Okay, so I just want to quickly talk about getting started with oils, and then I have something else I want to chat about. So this is the month to begin if you really like the idea of getting a free frankincense. So the best way to score this deal would be to start with the Home Essentials kit, and that is the kit I started with. I love it, and I really do believe it's going to set you with a foundation for getting, you know, the most bang for your buck in terms of what the oils can provide for all areas of your health and your wellness and for your family, because it has the top 10 oils in it. And you actually do get frankincense in your starter kit. So you'll get a bonus bottle. So you'll have 2 frankincenses to use and love and experience, which is awesome. So that is pretty much the most amazing way to get started this month, because you're going to get that free frankincense. So I just want to direct you to this link if you have any questions, or if you do want to get started with oils. It would be at the link here or below this video at bit.ly/glow journey. And I go over all the perks to getting started and joining our Essential Glow tribe, and and the steps to do it. But I'm not going to end there, because I wanted to go into some new products that are now available. So these following products launched on December 3rd. I'm shooting this video on December 5th. So there's already been 2 days of them being live, and I'm super, super excited about them. So first up is Yarrow Palm. So Yarrow Palm is literally an oil I use every day now. It is so amazing. It actually comes in a 30 milliliter bottle, but I have a 15 milliliter bottle from convention when they first launched it. They didn't have it in a bottle like this with a dropper top. It's just in a standard orifice reducer top. But this is going to come in so handy, because this oil does kind of drop out slow and you have to wait patiently for its liquid blue awesomeness. So it is a blend of yarrow essential oil, which is the bluest of blue essential oil, and it's paired with cold pressed pomegranate seed oil. I love pomegranates as is, so I'm so happy that they paired it with pomegranate oil. So it's designed to be your go-to for a true inside-out approach to aging, vitality, and overall wellness. And this is so true. What I love to do with it daily, and I swear I use it daily. I use it sometimes in the morning, but always at nighttime. So what I like to do after I've cleansed and toned my face is I will add 2 drops of Yarrow Pom to my moisturizer and spread it on that way. And then I will do a drop under the tongue because I really want the benefits on the skin, and then I want it internally for the body, just because it is such a powerhouse oil. So these are, like I said, that is the way I like to use it. You can also add a drop to your body lotion as well. So I love doing that as well. Or another way I like to use it upon waking is to apply to the dark circles under the eyes. I have an almost 2-month-old, so the dark circles are for real right now. And as you can see, I'm obviously in the new mom stage. So another couple ways to use Yarrow Pom would be in a peri spray for down there. If that's TMI, then sorry about that. And on cracked nipples. So obviously breastfeeding is not a joke. And that's another way I really like to use this one. So this is now available in a 30 milliliter bottle, and I'm so pumped for it. The next one is they just announced that they are launching this beautiful deodorant. So at convention this year, this past September, they just launched a new deodorant that has Balance, which is the grounding blend in it. And then they surprised us with this one. So if you've never smelled beautiful, it's a blend that doTERRA has in a roller bottle that you can't even you can't even purchase anymore, but it is the most beautiful smell. Literally it is. So now they've launched it as a deodorant, but these are for a limited time only. So the fact of this, or the chance of this selling out, are super high. So if you are watching this and it's already sold out, I apologize. But you're going to smell so good if you get this deodorant. It's all natural, and it's going to have these awesome essential oils in it to support your body. And you're going to get the whiffs of this beautiful, captivating blend that is never a bad thing. And then another thing that just launched was, so the kids collection launched in September, but only as a kit. So now you can buy them individually. And why I love this is because, let's be honest, there are 6 different blends, and they have amazing uses throughout the 6 blends, but we're not going to use them all in proportion, right? So we're going to go through some quicker than others. So for instance, this red one is the stronger blend. It's the immune blend. We use that a lot more than we would the rescuer, which is the soothing blend. So it's going to help your kids with sore muscles and aches and all that. We definitely support our immune system more than needing the muscle and aching support through that oil. So there's an example of this one I would probably replenish quicker than the blue one. So now you can buy them individually. So this is a great way if you didn't get the kit, or it's a little too pricey for you. You can kind of test out oils, or pick and choose the ones that you would really want to have in your home. So super excited about that. And then if you pause the video, you can totally look at how to use these 3 blends. They're stronger than what I talked about for really boosting the immune system. There's Thinker, which is the focus blend, and we use this every morning before school just to get our brains active. And I say "our" because even though it's a kid's essential oil, or it was designed for kids, I use it on my daughter, and then I totally do use it on myself. So there's the Thinker blend, and then there is the Rescuer blend, so the soothing blend for the sore little muscles. So those are the new launches paired with the promos this month. So like I said, if you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, I would love to help assist you in getting started on your oil journey. If you think that now is your month, as we head into a new year, I know a lot of people are shifting their focus to what they can do to really up their health. I know that's where I am. I plan to share in a future video on what led me to essential oils, because I am going on 3 years very soon. As we shifted into a new year, it kind of made me want to evaluate what I wanted to do next in my health. And this is where I thought essential oils could really come in and help our family. And as you know, the rest is history, because I'm using them and loving them now. So if you think that now is your time to get started, and you've been following me for a while and you want to join me on this amazing journey, please just don't hesitate to reach out to me, or visit me on the web here. I would love to chat more with you about that, or send me an email. But that is the beautifulness for this December 2018. So I hope everyone has a wonderful holidays, whatever you celebrate, and whoever you are going to be spending your time with. I hope it's amazing. And we'll see you back here next month. See you later.